Hey guys! So in case any of you guys are still struggling with the problem of the semester, I thought I'd make a short little video and kind of demonstrate with pictures and stuff why the prisoner problem actually works. Alright, so reading the problem, it says the king sends for 3 prisoners. So our prisoners are going to be Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, and Ray Charles. So there's these 3 prisoners, and then it says he has 3 black hats and 2 white hats. Now, he blindfolds all 3 of the prisoners and puts hats on each one. He then removes the blindfolds and allows them to look at each other. He tells them that if they can tell him the color of their hat, he'll let them go. If not, they're going to be killed. So, the first prisoner, Justin Bieber, looks around and he says, "Man, I don't know. Is it too late now to say sorry?" It's not. He dies. And then Selena Gomez, who can't keep her hands to herself, looks around, and then she also says, "I don't know." Then Ray Charles, who is blind, by the way, says, "I got a black hat on," and he's free to go. So, how did Ray know that he was wearing a black hat? So, did he just guess? The answer is no. He actually used the process of elimination, judging by what Justin and Selena said. So the way to solve this problem is first you need to make a list of all of the possible combinations of hats. And there are 7. Alright, so the first, Justin Bieber could have the black hat, and these 2 have the white hats. Or it could be that these 2 have the white hats, and Ray has the black hat. Or it could look like this, 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 and then finally, they could all be wearing black hats. So those are the 7 combinations, and I would encourage you to make a list kind of like this, that has all 7 of them just written out and labeled, alright? So we have our 7 all labeled here. Now we're going to go through step by step of what happened, and we're going to start marking things off of our list. So, first we have Justin Bieber. And Justin Bieber looks around and says that he doesn't know. So, the only scenario where Justin Bieber wouldn't say that would be if he saw that Ray Charles and Selena Gomez both had white hats. Because if he looked and he saw that they have white hats, he's like, oh, well since they both have white hats, I have to have a black hat. But he doesn't say that. So therefore we know that this is not the combination of hats that they're wearing. Therefore, we can go to our list and go to this first one where it has just Justin Bieber and the black hat and cross it off. So that's totally gone. So we know that's not the combination. So now we go to Selena Gomez. Now, Selena Gomez looks around, and in the same way, if she had saw that Ray Charles was in a white hat and Justin Bieber was in a white hat, she knows that she would have to be in a black hat. But she doesn't, so therefore we can cross that off of our list. So we know that it's not this one. So now we know that it's not this combination and it's definitely not this combination. However, Selena also got another clue from Justin Bieber. She also knows that it is not this arrangement. Now, it cannot be this because, say that Selena looks around and she sees that Ray is in a white hat and Justin Bieber is in a black hat. Now, for this combination, it could either be like, and Selena doesn't know what's on her head, so it could either be like this or like this. However, Justin Bieber already eliminated this possibility. So this is no longer on the table. So Selena knows that it's not this. Therefore, if it was this combination, and she saw that Biebs had a black hat and Ray Charles had a white hat, she'd be like, oh, well, I obviously have to have a black hat because this combination is off the table, so it has to be this. And I get my freedom, and I can go keep my hands to myself other places. But she doesn't. That's the key. She doesn't say that she has a black hat on. She said she doesn't know. Therefore, this combination does not work. So we go to our list and we cross it off of our list here. So now we have 4 possible solutions, right? So either they could all be wearing black hats, or maybe Selena has a white hat on, or maybe just Biebs has a white hat on, or maybe Selena and Biebs both have white hats on. All of these combinations are possible. So this one, this one, this one, or this one. These could all be possible. But the awesome thing about this problem is that Ray Charles doesn't need to figure out which one of those it's narrowed down to, because he knows that in every single one of those scenarios, he's got a black hat on. So he doesn't care what these two do. So he's like, I got a black hat, those guys die, and Ray Charles goes on to be a wonderful musician and wins his freedom. And that is how you solve the prisoner problem. The end.